Tired of those hard to reach spots taking up all your time during the weekend? Well, the Harley-Davidson wheel and tire cleaner is the perfect solution for you. Brake dust, highway elements, and dirt can take forever to clean out of those beautiful wheels you own. Harley has your back with this easy to use and time-saving product. This cleaner is specially formulated to safely remove brake dust and road grime from wheels and tires easily with its water-activated formula. To use, simply wet your desired areas that you want to clean and apply. Always remember to apply to cool temperature areas of your bike and not immediately after your ride. Let your wheels and tires cool down first. Be sure to wipe off any overspray that may have landed on other parts of your motorcycle. At this point, let the wheel and tire cleaner work its magic for at least 1 minute on all applied surfaces. Scrub wheels and tires with detailing brushes until clean. Then rinse away with water, and that's it, you're done. Harley-Davidson wheel and tire cleaner comes in a 22-ounce trigger bottle for even easier application. Plus, its special formula won't strip wax, corrode fasteners or spokes, or stain your wheels and tires. So you can rest assured that your bike will look as good as ever when you're done. For this and any other genuine Harley-Davidson products, visit harleydavidson.com or any authorized Harley-Davidson dealer. I'm Jordan, and I'll see you next time.